Good morning to all. I am Karthikeyan, MEM School of Engineering, Tiruchirappalli. In this lecture, EC 8551 Communication Networks, the Unit 3 Routing. This is a syllabus of Communication Network, Unit 3 Routing. In this unit, first of all, introduction of routing and what are the unicast routing and then algorithms and the unicast routing protocols and the second is a multicasting routing and the basic introductions and the overview of intro domain and inter domain protocols of multicasting routing and unicast routing, and then finally the overview of internet protocol version 6 addressing and the transition from internet protocol version 4 to internet protocol version 6. Now we are discuss about the routing basic concept. What is a routing? In routing is a path finding from one end to other end. When a device has multiple paths to reach a destination, it always select one path by preferring it over others. This selection process is termed as a routing. In routing is done by special network device called a routers, or it can be done by means of software process. The software process based routers have limited functionality and limited scope. Now we see the diagram. In the communication networks, the network A to network B, there are different number of layers, transmission layers are used here. Now in the specific path of routing section, the routers are contained the three layers: network layer, data link layer, and finally physical layer. So the routing occur at three layers, or routing occur at two layers. In two layers are used in the routing section, that is called a bridging. Now the second one, internet protocol routing. So what is the internet protocol routing? It perform search for matching host address, matching network address, search for difficult entity, and finally routing done by a internet protocol router when it search the routing tables and decided which interface to end of a packet out. Now the incoming messages to sender source side in the router which interface the multiple different routers to path find out the shortest path, longest path, and medium path. Now we are using the routing tables. The routing is carried out in a router by consulting routing tables. No unique format for routing tables. Typically, tables contains the address of destination, IP address of next hop routers, network interface to be used, subnet mask for this interface, distance to the destinations. So these fundamentals criteria are included in the routing table to carry out the routers by consulting the route table. Now, what are the routing components? There are three routing elements are there. Number one, algorithm. Number two, database. Number three, protocol. In algorithm, it can be differentiated based on several key characteristics. The database, the table in routers or routing tables, and finally the protocol is defined as the way of information for routing the gather and distributed. Now the routing types. In the routing types there are different way of routing. That is we see the first paragraph. A router is always configured with some difficult route. A difficult route tells the router where the forward a packet if there is no route found for a specific destination. In case there are multiple paths existing to reach the same destination, the router can make decision based on the following information. What are the decision based following information? That information, number one, hop count, number two, bandwidth of the signals, that is a data signals, and what are the metrics of signals, and prefix length, and what about the delay of source to destination. And also the routers can statistically configured or dynamically learned. One route can be configured to preferred over others. So thank you for watching this video.